Hey all, hope you're having a fabulous Wednesday. I just got done doing a Facebook Live hair tutorial with the Lay Duo, my favorite. Every Instagram post I post is pretty much with the Lay Duo. But I have a bundle for you, so if you want to grab the bundle, I'll link it and tell you what's in it next. The Lay Duo bundle comes with 3 full-sized goodies in it. So you're gonna get the Lay Duo of your choice in black or blush. You'll also get the full-size Thermal Magique. It's a thermal protectant you apply to your hair before you use the Lay Duo. You'll get a full-size Salton Sea Texture Spray. I apply this at the end when I'm done styling for hold. And then you'll also get a 6-pack of these sectioning clips to help to kind of section and pull away your hair so you can style it a lot easier. All of that comes in the Lay Duo bundle for only $89. It's 50% off just through this exclusive link. The full tutorial from today's Facebook Live using the Lay Duo is over on my Facebook page. That's where I keep all of my tutorial videos. So if you haven't checked that out, please feel free to. I have tons of tutorial videos styling my hair in all sorts of different ways over on that page, but I will link today's right here. Okay, bye. Have a good day. Mwah.